camouflage nature's invisibility cloak. It is a crucial survival tactic for many animals. Predators use it to stalk prey undetected. Prey use it to vanish from a predator's gaze. This delicate dance of survival hinges on blending seamlessly with the environment. In the animal kingdom, the strategies are as diverse as they are ingenious. Some animals mimic their surroundings with astonishing accuracy. Others employ disruptive patterns to confuse and disorient. These adaptations are a testament to the power of natural selection. Camouflage is not just about color. It's about texture, shape, and even movement. It's about becoming one with the shadows and the sunlight, the leaves and the rocks. It's about erasing oneself from the visual landscape. The study of animal camouflage has fascinated scientists for centuries. It offers a glimpse into the intricate workings of evolution and the remarkable adaptations that arise from the struggle for survival. But it also holds immense potential for human innovation, particularly in the realm of defense and security. Among the many masters of disguise in the animal kingdom, the ocellated lizard stands out. This remarkable reptile, native to the Iberian Peninsula, possesses an exceptional ability to adapt its camouflage to different environments. The ocellated lizard's skin is its canvas. It is adorned with a complex pattern of scales that can change color depending on the surrounding environment. This dynamic camouflage allows the lizard to blend seamlessly with a variety of backgrounds, from rocky outcrops to leafy undergrowth. But the lizard's camouflage goes beyond simple color change. Its scales are also textured to mimic the rough surfaces of its habitat. This combination of color and texture creates an incredibly effective disguise, rendering the lizard virtually invisible to both predators and prey. The secret to the ocellated lizard's remarkable camouflage lies in specialized cells called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments that can be dispersed or concentrated to alter the lizard's skin color. The process is controlled by a complex interplay of hormones and nerve impulses, allowing for rapid and precise color changes. Scientists have long been intrigued by the ocellated lizard's camouflage prowess. By studying the lizard's skin, researchers have gained insights into adaptive camouflage. Biomimicry emulates nature's designs to solve human challenges. Synthetic materials inspired by the lizard's skin mimic its color-changing abilities. These materials could create adaptive camouflage systems for military use. The lizard's camouflage abilities inspire new technologies. Section 4, from lizard skin to stealth tech innovations in military camouflage. The ocellated lizard's remarkable camouflage abilities have inspired military innovations. Researchers are developing adaptive camouflage to enhance stealth capabilities. This technology is crucial for stealth aircraft to evade radar detection. Adaptive coatings allow aircraft to match their surroundings, reducing visual detection. These innovations could revolutionize camouflage for vehicles and soldiers. The future is adaptive camouflage beyond the battlefield. Adaptive camouflage extends far beyond the battlefield. Inspired by the ocellated lizard, scientists explore its use in civilian sectors. One area is architecture and design. Imagine buildings changing color to blend with the environment. In automotive, cars could change color on demand. This could improve road safety in low-light conditions. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Section 6, a legacy of invisibility, the enduring impact of nature's illusions. The ocellated lizard, a seemingly unremarkable reptile from the Iberian Peninsula, has inspired a technological revolution. Its remarkable camouflage abilities, honed over millennia of evolution, have unlocked new possibilities in the realms of defense, design, and beyond. The study of animal camouflage, and the ocellated lizard in particular, highlights the immense power of biomimicry. By looking to nature for inspiration, we can find elegant and effective solutions to some of our most pressing challenges. The ocellated lizard's legacy is a testament to the enduring power of natural selection and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. As we continue to unlock the secrets of nature's illusions, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking innovations emerge, blurring the lines between the natural and the man-made, and ushering in a new era of adaptive camouflage and its transformative applications.